Hey yo, what is going on everyone? It is the Beyblade Legend back with another Beyblade battle video for you guys. So next up in this battle video, we're gonna be doing Vise Leopard finally. I'm gonna be doing the first battle with Vise Leopard, and he's gonna be facing off against Revive Phoenix. These two are not battling for the first time. Well, Vise Leopard is battling for the first time, but if you guys remember, like 2 or 3 months ago, I borrowed Adrian's Revive Phoenix and I did a couple of battles with it, including with my insane Excalius combo, and it appears it bursted it without the armor coming out, which was really hilarious. But yeah, in this battle, this is an anime battle that took place in the Battleship Cruise, so this is Laban versus Vine. It's one of my favorite anime battles because Revive Phoenix becomes into an evil Phoenix or Dark Phoenix. Not the movie. I'm not a fan of Marvel, honestly. Like, I only watch Avengers: Infinity War and Endgame. But yeah, and then he turns into a Dark Phoenix and breaks Vice Leopard. But yeah, but without any further ado, let's begin the battle, and let's see who should have really won in the Battleship Cruise. Let the battle begin. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Alright, so there goes Vice Leopard, and I think his frame is on attack mode. And that is Vice Leopard taking the first battle. That's insane. Alright, so one thing I did not knew about Vice Leopard's frame is that whenever it's like this, the points right here, that means it's on attack mode. So it was like this, so the points were outward, so that was on attack mode. And when it's on this way, it's on its defense mode. So yeah, I think there's not even a difference on that. So Vice Leopard surprisingly takes the first battle. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Jesus Christ! Oh jeez. I guess Vice Leopard lost this one. Alright, so I guess base are now tied up. It is 1-1. Alright, next battle. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Yo, that armor though. That armor hits Vice Leopard. Imagine if Phoenix and the armor were like literally just pressing onto Vice Leopard. That would be scary, yo. Alright, next battle. Next battle. 3, 2, 1. I love the sound of the destroy driver. It literally sounds like it sounds like a reboot kicking in, or a spiral like slowing down, or even a jaggy driver. Oh, great. Okay, I thought that was gonna be Vice Leopard, but never mind. That is Revive Phoenix, anyways. All right, next battle. Oh my goodness. The layer literally flies into my hand, so it flies and I have my hand like this, and it literally just like comes into my hand. Alright, so I guess that's Revive Phoenix again. So Revive Phoenix taking straight wins now. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Yo! I honestly want to see a burst, like, literally, like, that is Vice Leopard. Alright, next battle. Oh my goodness. Leopard hitting that armor again. Okay. Alright, let's see who's gonna get this one. That is Revive Phoenix. Alright, next battle. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Oh my goodness, that armor. That armor most likely flies all over the place. Alright. And that is Revive Phoenix. Alright. Next battle. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Well, at first it starts off as the maximum speed of destroy, but now it's like since the frame makes it scrape. That's just that. Alright, okay, that's a draw. Alright, let's go to the Rail Rush. Alright, so now we're gonna be doing the battles in the Rail Rush, and I decided to take out the frame from Vise Leopard so that way it wouldn't scrape. Alright, let's go. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Yo. Okay. And that's Revive Phoenix. Alright, on to the next battle. I wish there could be a burst, but there isn't. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. I guess it's gonna come down to stamina, and it's gonna be Revive Phoenix. Alright, so I guess, yeah, it is Revive Phoenix, and only if he knocks down Vise Leopard. Alright, let's just go on to the next battle. Okay, next battle. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Okay, nice hit right there. And that's gonna be Revive Phoenix then. Goodness. Alright. So I guess Revive Phoenix is gonna take a straight win right there. Just trying to put on the armor. Alright, let me put on Vise Leopard's frame, and it's gonna be upside down. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Oh my goodness. What? What? Was Vise Leopard literally spin stealing? What? I guess we should give that one to Vise Leopard. Alright, next battle. Vise Leopard, do not die on me. Alright, so I guess it's gonna be Revive Phoenix overall. Alright, let's do like a couple of more battles. And how much minutes have I been recording? 9 minutes. Alright, let's do 2 more battles, or 3. No, let's do 3, alright? 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Can Vise Leopard spin steal again? Actually, never mind. Alright, so that was pretty funny after all. Alright, next battle. I lost the armor! And it's Vise Leopard. Alright, on to the last battle. Whoever wins should have been the winner in the Battleship Cruise. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. No! Vise Leopard! Spin steal, please. Alright, so I guess it's Revive Phoenix overall. So it looks like our winner overall is gonna be Revive Phoenix. So Vice Leopard did try it, but we should see when Dead Phoenix comes in. If nobody, if none of these turbo base can't literally not even go up against Dread Phoenix, then literally the Cho Z base or the burst stopping base can literally go up against him. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna end it here. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to turn on the bell so you guys could get notified of my epic battles coming your way. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna end it here, and I will see you guys. And I'll see you guys till then. Peace out.